In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the important updates on TikTok Shop Affiliate, including the new guidelines, how to sign up as an affiliate, and what to do if you're rejected. We're also going to talk about the 7 don'ts, so the things that you don't want to do in order to avoid any violations or suspension. So let's get right into it. So the first important update is that you only need 1,000 followers now in order to qualify for the TikTok Shop Affiliate program. So prior to this change, you need to have at least 5,000 followers. So that's really great news. If you are brand new starting out, you no longer need 5,000 followers. Instead, you only need 1,000. Now, if you're just starting out and if you need help getting to 1,000 followers in your account, you basically have 3 options. Number 1 is to buy an account, and your option number 2 is to run paid ads to your post in order to grow your account. So this would be a paid method. And your option number 3 would be just grow your account organically by posting consistently. Now, if you need help with any one of these options, you can check out my other videos on my channel where I'll walk you through step by step on what to do with each one of these methods. I will go ahead to link the videos down in the description. Next, let's talk about how to sign up for the TikTok Shop Affiliate program once you are qualified to do so, since many people are confused on this step. So let me show you exactly how you sign up once you meet the requirements. So to sign up, it's super simple. So you just go to your profile and click on the 3 lines on the upper right, and then just click on TikTok Studio. And then once you're on this page, just click on TikTok Shop for Creator. And then you should be able to see a screen like this where it will say you're eligible to apply. And then as long as you meet the 3 requirements here, you should be able to have an option to apply. And once you click apply here, that's how you sign up for the TikTok Shop Affiliate program. Now, in the event that you meet all the requirements and you do have the 1,000 followers, but then you're rejected for some reason, and this happens to some people apparently, and I'm not sure exactly why. So what you can do is to just go to support and just send them the following message. You can say something like, I have met all the requirements to join the TikTok Shop Affiliate program as a creator. My account has 1,000 followers and I've followed all community guidelines. Here are the attached screenshots. And then what you want to do is to include screenshots to show that your account has more than 1,000 followers and also your account is in good standings. And from what I've heard, TikTok typically takes about a couple of days to respond to you. And when you send in the message and also attach the screenshots, you should be able to get approved after they review your account. So next, let's talk about the 7 don'ts. So these are the things that you want to avoid in order to avoid any violations or suspension. Now, these are extremely important to know because when you do get a violation, your account do get suppressed for a while and you get less traffic than usual. And you should do your best to avoid any violation because at best case, your account will be suppressed and at the worst case, your account could be suspended. So your first don't is don't record pictures of products and always have the product on hand. So this is very common and some people are still doing it and getting away with it. What they do is that they record, let's say, like a picture of the product on the screen instead of having the actual product on hand. So don't cut corners, always have the product on hand when you record a product videos. That is the safe way to go about it. Next one is don't use other people's content. So this one is common when you would see a creator that would get like clips from like multiple videos promoting the same product and they would try to get like bits and pieces from each video and then they piece together and make it their own. Again, many people are still doing this and getting away with it, but I highly would advise against it because when you look at it, it's still using other people's content and you definitely want to play the long game and not risk it. So I highly recommend you not to do that and always play it safe and get your own products and record your own original content. So next one is don't repurpose your own content. Always create an original video. So when you repurpose your content, it's apparently a big no-no for TikTok. They just hate it for some reason, even if that is your own content. And this one is the one that got one of my account permanently suspended. So I could tell you from my own personal experience, they just hate it. Even though it's repurpose your own content, they just don't like any repurposing of the same video. Even sometimes maybe you just want to test a different hook or you want to test a different text on screen. Make sure that you don't use the same exact video footage and always create an original video. So next one is a very simple one, but it's an important one, is to not tag the wrong product. So this is pretty much self-explanatory. So when you're done creating a TikTok and at the end you need to tag a product, make sure that you tag the right product because tagging the wrong product is against guidelines and will likely earn you a violation. So you definitely don't want to make that mistake. Next one is don't make any exaggerated claims. So for example, if you were to promote like a weight loss supplement, don't say things like you will lose 20 pounds in 10 days or things like that, because making any exaggerated claims is a huge no-no. And number 6 is don't give any false product information. This is important because you only want to provide accurate info of your product. So make sure that you check the listing to make sure that all the information that you provide is accurate, because providing inaccurate information in your video is against guidelines and you can get a violation from it. The last one is don't use any celebrities' clips. So it's quite common to see, someone would use like Joe Rogan's clips or any other celebrities when they talk about certain products, and they would clip it and then insert it into their own TikToks and then promote certain products that is against guidelines unless you have permission from that celebrity to talk about that product in your video. Now, some people still do them and they may still get away with it, but it's a high chance that eventually they will get a violation on it. So I highly recommend you not to do that, because you don't want to focus on the short term. You want to have longevity. And the only way to do that is to do things the right way. And you definitely want to try your best to avoid these 7 don'ts when you create content on TikTok in order to avoid any violation or suspension. So that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video.